Storm, and like Devin was saying, over the weekend we have had all kinds of weather to present.
It was hot, it was rainy, everything.
We got it all, and then of course today we're dealing with just a few showers tonight. But the big thing we've talked about today, of course, is Beryl, which has weakened. It's now a depression, but it's interesting. It's still bringing some severe weather into Arkansas at this point, with that big band of rain that is spawning some rotating cells. So tornado watch in effect for part of Arkansas tonight, and a few active warnings there as well. It's moving off to the northeast as we move into tomorrow. What we're expecting here is actually a little more Beryl impact tomorrow than what we've had today, which was just a really hot day with a heat advisory and some spotty rain. Tonight looks humid, and we will have these passing showers and a few storms. Tomorrow, we get a kind of different feel. We'll have clouds. It will not be as hot. We will have a southwest breeze, and we'll also have the scattered rain, mostly first part of the day. I'll show you in a second. And then the rest of the week, we're just back to a hotter summer kind of pattern. Temperatures right now around 80 or so, and our feels like temperatures have been in the lower triple digits earlier today, now backing off into the 80s and lower 90s. And we have had some wind at least to deal with or to benefit from. Also, we do have our rain showing up, especially on the eastern side of our area, St. Bernard, part of New Orleans east into St. Tammany and our Mississippi counties, and St. Bernard and Plaquemines as well. And you can see this is being dragged in by that center of Beryl, which is now just moving into Arkansas, but bringing that band of rain all across Louisiana and even drawing some moisture for southeast Louisiana. You can see those active warnings in the yellows, severe thunderstorm, reds, tornado warnings, and a big tornado watch in that part of Arkansas tonight. As we look at what we're expecting, again, passing showers tonight, not too cool. Our lows around 80 degrees, both north and south of the lake. Tomorrow, temperatures may top out only around 90. We will have that chance of rain, and we'll have more clouds as well. Here's how it's looking for your Tuesday forecast, and note the rain chances, especially from morning, maybe even late morning in some spots, but through the midday and into the afternoon, and then calming down by tomorrow evening. Let me show you with our high resolution model. 10 p.m. is doing an okay job of picking up on the scattered rain we're seeing right now. Let's move into tomorrow morning, 6 and 7 a.m. You're waking up on your Tuesday, and we should have some rain around. If it's not right over some of our spots, it will be very close. And then we'll move through the morning. This takes us to 10 a.m. Some showers, some downpours north and south of the lake. And then this could be 1 p.m. Maybe the bulk of the rain already finished for a lot of spots by then. Still some coastal rain. And then through the evening, this is 4 and then on towards 7. You can see that rain passing us by, although we will continue with a pretty muggy atmosphere and a chance of rain into the rest of the week. Tomorrow, the thing to watch out for also will be possibly some flooding rain. You can see we're at levels 1 to 2. More likely farther south, where some of that rain may be a bit heavier. Blues and purples are 1 to 2 inches, greens about a ½ inch or so. So I think most of this should be manageable, but if we get a big heavy downpour with a lot of that coming at once, as you know, that might cause a bit of isolated street flooding. That coastal flood advisory that's been in effect, that will only go for another several hours into tomorrow afternoon before it's lifted. And this is not that big a deal, but you probably noticed it if you're along the coast, that minor coastal flooding up to about 1 foot with those tides running a bit higher than normal. 7-day forecast, we're transitioning back into hot summertime on Wednesday and Thursday, although actually those days with some added cloud cover, we may be able to prevent our temperatures from soaring too high, but later in the week and weekend, we should start to see a drier pattern take hold, less of a chance of rain, and then our temperatures getting back into the middle 90s for next weekend.
All right.